Using advanced filter, we can filter the data according to a criteria. Criteria is a condition. For example, here in this product table, suppose you want to filter out and see only the products with a quantity less than 10 or rate greater than 40,000, then in such case we can use advanced filter. Now I want to filter the records with quantity less than 10. So I am typing my criteria here, quantity less than 10. Now go to data, sort and filter, click advanced. See here the data has been selected automatically. If the data are not selected automatically, then we have to select it manually. Before selecting it manually, keep the cursor here and then drag the mouse to select the records. Now see here the records has been selected. The list range is A1 to F11. The records from A1 to F11 has been selected. Now go to the criteria range box, keep the cursor here and select our criteria. Okay, and then click the OK button. See now the records has been filtered and we could see only the records with quantity less than 10. Now go to advanced, remove this criteria, click OK. Now if you want to filter the records with quantity less than 10 and rate greater than 40,000, then you have to change the criteria like this. Quantity less than 10 and rate greater than 40,000. If you use this criteria, then it will show the records with quantity less than 10 and rate greater than 40,000. It will show the result only if both these conditions are satisfied. Now let us see. Go to advanced and criteria box, click the criteria box, select our criteria, click OK. See now you could see the laptop quantity 9, the rate is greater than 45,000. Only one record has been listed here. If you want to list the records with quantity less than 10 or rate greater than 40,000, then you have to type this 40,000 here. This criteria will fetch the records with quantity less than 10 or rate greater than 40,000. Now let us see. Go to advanced, criteria range, select our condition, click OK button. Now see the quantity less than 10 and all the products with a rate greater than 40,000 are listed here. Instead of showing the filtered records in the same place, we can also show it separately. To do this, go to advanced. Here filter the list in place means the result will be shown in the same location. If you want to show it in another place, choose a second option, copy to another location, then criteria, select the criteria, then in this box, copy to box, click here and select the location where you want to see the result. Now go to the sheet. I am choosing this location. Just click here. Once I click here, this area is selected. It is showing here A13 as a copy location. Then click the OK button. See here, you could see the result here.